guys, welcome back to my channel, and I know it's been a while since I have done any planning kind of a video. So here it is. And guys, first of all tell me, is it just me or you guys also think कि ये साल जो है वो बहुत जल्दी जल्दी जा रहा है? Like guys, let's see ना. So guys, see, we have finished first quarter of this year and now we are entering into a second quarter of this year. Like, isn't it crazy? So in this video I'm going to do a plan with me, Apple plan with me kind of a video. So yeah, get your planner, journal or notebook, whatever you are comfortable with, and let's plan together.
Cause I'm not just a pretty girl.
So if you are someone who is new in planning, you might be thinking like, Nidhi, okay, that's quite good, but how to start? So the first thing that you have to do is set a goal and make sure that कि आप अभी starting में कम से कम 3 goal set करो, and once you get comfortable with it, then you can increase your goals, but try to start with making 3 goals per a month. And make sure that you set a SMART goal, which means SMART means like specific, measurable, achievable, relatable, and time bound. And T for time bound. Okay, so make sure that your goal is SMART. Let's take an example that I have to finish reading one book in the month of April. So see, my goal is specific that I have to finish a book. My goal is measurable that I have to finish one book. And also my goal is time bound that I have to finish my book in the month of April. And also it is quite achievable, like मुश्किल से एक बुक में 30 या फिर 40 chapters होते होंगे. You got it what I want to say, okay? So my goal, reading a book, is a SMART goal, okay? So this is how you can make your goals. And once you have done that, then you have to set an action plan for it. Okay, let's take in that previous example कि मैंने ये सोचा कि मैं अप्रैल के मंथ में एक बुक फिनिश करूँगी. Okay, so I have to plan my day accordingly. Like for that you can make a routine for yourself and make sure that your routine is flexible, your routine is comfortable, and your routine is calculative. Okay, so make a calculative, flexible, and comfortable routine for yourself. And whenever you are making a routine for yourself, मेक श्योर दैट आप ना उस कोई पर्टिकुलर वर्क के लिए आप पर्टिकुलर टाइम डिसाइड करके दो. सो इन दैट वे योर रूटीन गेट्स काइंड ऑफ अ मोर प्रैक्टिकल सॉर्ट ऑफ. आई हैव मेक अ डिटेल वीडियो ऑन हाउ टू मेक अ रूटीन फॉर प्रोडक्टिव रूटीन फॉर योरसेल्फ. यू कैन वॉच इट आउट इफ यू वांट टू. I will provide it on my card, or I will provide this link down in the description. So make sure you watch it out, that how you can create a productive routine for yourself. So all you have to do is make a routine for yourself and give proper time for your particular goal, or so that your goal would be achievable. Okay, and once you have done that, another thing that you have to always keep in your mind while planning is always review your last month. So basically I have made a monthly goal spread in my planner. I always plan my month on quarterly basis, and फिर मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं उसे पेंसिल से लिखती हूँ, सो डैट अगर मैं कोई पर्टिकुलर गोल जो है वो मैं जान के मंथ में अगर उसे अचीव नहीं कर पाई, सो दैट I can continue it in the month of Jan, and if not, then I can continue in the month of March. So like this way I used to plan my months. और मैंने इस बार जो प्लानिंग की, it was quite a bit crazy sort of thing. Like let me give you an example. For the month of Jan, my goals were hit 500, not 500. My goals were hit 500 plus subscriber in the month of Jan, and it didn't happen. So another goal, guys, ये तो शुरुआत है, अभी हमें goals तो देखो. Another goals of the month of Jan was to post 12 content on my Instagram. It didn't happen. Basically, in each month, I set 3 major goals, that 3 big goals in each month. Okay, मैं हर month में 3 big goals डालती हूँ, and I always write my goals with pencil so that it is quite flexible. Like कि अगर मैंने उस month में achieve नहीं किया तो मैं उसे दूसरे month में लेके जाऊँगी, and this way I can achieve that goals. Okay, so another third goal of my month of Jan was to learn C language. And I did learn the C language, but मैं उतना अच्छे से नहीं learn कर पाई. So basically my goals of Jan was big fail. So here I am failing in front of you all, because that's why I'm saying that make a SMART goal. because I didn't make SMART goal in my first quarter. So learn from me. मैं इस month के लिए I'm going to plan a SMART goal for myself, which is specific, measurable, achievable, relatable, and time bound. Okay, so this way you can make sure that you review your past month, and then accordingly you plan your next month. And once having done that, like कि आपने अपने मंथ को प्लान कर लिया, then make sure that you set like a to-do list kind of a thing for your month. Like कि मैं जो है see, if I would say like मैंने अप्रैल में my top 3 goals would be to be consistent on YouTube, to learn new skill for me, and another thing could be reading, or another thing could be related to reading or study for my, of course I'm a student so I have to study as well, to study for my college and all. Okay, so these are the goals I have to do. तो for that I would make an action plan. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, हमेशा हर मंथ के स्टार्टिंग में मैं एक फ्लेक्सिबल रूटीन सेट करती हूँ फॉर माई सेल्फ, एंड मैं हमेशा अपने रूटीन में टाइम स्टैम्प्स दे के बनाती हूँ, सो दैट माई routine is kind of flexible and a bit practical. Okay, so this way I plan my day. And another thing that you can do is also maintain a daily journal for your day, so that आप उसको बाद में review कर सको. Like maybe you're lagging behind to your goals, तो in night if you are journaling, तो आपको वो चीज़ तुरंत आपके दिमाग में हिट करेगी. Okay, so today I have to do some task towards my goal, and I haven't done that, and this thing will suddenly get hit in your brain, and you might feel guilty like कि हाँ फिर, and on the next day you will feel like all pumped up to do that thing. Okay, so this is something that I used to do. I always maintain a journal every day so that I can keep my things accountable. Okay, so now this brings me to next point, which is always be accountable with yourself. Like मैं आज से एक book read करना start की, तो so for reading a book, how I can keep myself accountable is जब भी मैं book पढ़ती हूँ तो मैं हमेशा like मैं उसे snap पे I always post story. You can also post story on Instagram. So you can post story on your Instagram that makes you keep accountable for your certain goals. And if not, अगर आप Instagram पे post नहीं करते, then you can also put it in your gratitude journal, and you can also keep yourself accountable in any of your journal or diary that yeah, today I have achieved this, today I have worked towards this particular goal. So in this way you are going to achieve your goals. So it just sums up what I have said. Always set a goals, make action plans, always review your past month, and make your goals accountable. So these are the things that I have learned to how to set your goals properly, and I hope it will help you all as well, because guys, my first quarter was so not practical. Like मैंने क्या क्या goal set कर रखे थे, like, and अभी तक मैंने उसे achieve नहीं किया. So in this quarter what I'm going to do, I'm going to put all the things forward for this quarter, and मैं उसे अपने goals को जो है उसको like कि मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ इस बार, मेरे जितने भी सारे goals हैं उसको मैं इस quarter में लेके आने वाली हूँ, and again I will set three big goals for that particular month, और उसके बाद उस goal को भी मैं मिनी गोल्स में, फॉर माई वीकली गोल्स में फिर मैं उसे स्प्लिट करूँगी, सो डैट आई कैन अचीव ऑल दिस. बिकॉज लिखने से कुछ नहीं होगा, समझ में आ रही थी, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया यार. आई वॉज नॉट एट ऑल लाइक सी वो मेरे 400 सब्सक्राइबर हुए थे जैन के मंथ में, एंड आई हैव हिट 500+ सब्सक्राइबर इन द मंथ ऑफ जैन. ग्रो अप निधि, ग्रो अप. पोस्ट 12 कंटेंट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. लाइक रियली, मैं अभी तक 3 मंथ मिला के भी मैंने 12 कंटेंट तो मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे पुट नहीं किया. पोस्ट इंस्टाग्राम कंसिस्टेंटली, नो आई एम नॉट कंसिस्टेंट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, बट आई एम टू कंसिस्टेंट ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज. मैं हमेशा कोई ना कोई मीम शेयर करते रहती हूँ. सो इफ़ यू गाइज डोंट फॉलो मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम, गो एंड फॉलो मी नाउ. एंड बाय द वे गाइज, फाइनली भगवान ने मेरी लाज रखी, और before ending this quarter we are the family of 500 plus people. Like we are a family of like I think 510 people. Oh my god, that's so nice. And thank you so much, guys. And thanks to all of you who have shared me my channel. And let's just not stop here. Make this family more bigger, more be so that I can hug you all like this. Okay, guys, this is I think pretty much it. I have spoken a lot, and so yeah, that's it. Let's just hit this new quarter, or let's just hit this second quarter of this year with full of hard work, with full of productivity and all. Also, I have one of my goal was to work out every day, and guys, 3 months में कितने दिन होते हैं? 60 and I think there is 88 days में मैंने एक भी दिन वर्कआउट नहीं किया. Wow, Nidhi, wow. And you are setting goals like this, and I'm hating myself. Like I hate myself for this. I hate you, Nidhi. I hate you. Like, but ये सब तो होते रहता है. We fail, we rise, we learn from our mistakes. Do comment that how was your first quarter? Did you achieve all of your goals of your quarter? Like, or you are like me, that I'm failing in front of you very badly right now. So yeah, that is it. जो हो गया वो हो गया. Let's just start our next quarter with full of productivity. I'm very much pumped up for my new quarter. So I hope I can achieve all of these. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys like it, and if you really like it, then you know what you have to do. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, comment down below. And yeah, and also guys, there is another 500 subscribers special videos coming on your way, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I love you all. Bye bye. And until then, stay happy, stay positive, and go and plan your month. Yeah. Bye.